Hello, ma'am, sir. Have a good day. My name is Nicanor Ebarate, 51 years old. I have 4 children, 2 sons aged 16 and 22, 2 daughters 24 and 25. I am Catholic. I am not drinking alcohol. I am not a smoker. I have work experience for being houseboy driver in Philippines last 2005 and 2007. I take care of 4 members of the family. I will garden, driving, take care of the child, and cleaning of the house. I also have experience for being houseboy driver in Saudi Arabia for 6 years. Year 2009 to 2015, I served 4 members of the family. I will garden, driving, and take care of the pet and others household work. I hope and I pray you choose me, ma'am, sir. I promise you will not regret. I am fast learner, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you. God bless.